Welcome back. On today's quick video, I wanted to do a update on a scam that I've seen before and a new spin on it. So let's jump right in. If you look at this email that popped up, it's an interesting take on an old one. The old ones are your password's expired and you need to take a look at this, click on this link. This new one is more of an affirmative driven thing. It's something that people use in negotiation tactics all the time. If you make a false statement, people correct you and they hope that that solves the problem. By divulging additional information. In this case, they say your recovery email was added on 3/24/25, which is the day this video is being recorded. And if that's not the case, you need to click here. So if you look through this, you'll notice that I did not download any of the pictures. I did not download the Outlook block content because you never know what that's going to add onto your computer. It's probably nothing, but I'm not going to give anyone any additional information about me or allow my computer to download something that could be problematic. So if you look at there's a few different things that are tip-offs that this is a scam. The first one is if a recovery email was added to any account, it will be coming from that account. If it's your credit card, it will be coming directly from that credit card's domain, usually. If it's from your internet service provider, it would be coming from them. If it's from your email provider, it would be coming from your email company like Google, Gmail, whoever you get your email through. In this particular case, the email address is coming from a particular person at some account in a different country. Not anything that is related to any work that we're doing. This is actually going to an old email account that has been closed. That was one of the first tip-offs for me. And of course I blocked out that, but the admin that it's replying to, or it says I added admin.fortskew.com as your recovery email address. Now, the hope here on the part of the scammer is that you get freaked out, say, oh my gosh, I did not add that. Let me click here to disconnect my email address. The problem with that is you're going to click there, it'll ask you to log in, and it'll probably be a website that looks like a webmail website. And when you log in, you'll put in your accurate information. They've already got your email address. They will go directly to your email, log in, and have access to anything that you have in there, including financial information, password resets, whatever it may be, giving them a whole different access. So, starting back over, the first check, of course, is, like we talked about earlier, the email address is someone that I have no idea who it is. The second one is it's a admin website, or it's some sort of a secondary recovery email that I haven't done. And then when you click, or if you hover your mouse over, and you'll notice that I'm not doing this on the email form, but this allowed me to block out any of the private information. But if you hover your mouse cursor, don't click, hover over this disconnect email button, it'll pop up the link it's trying to send you to. And this is the third and final major red flag that you get. Number one, it's sending you to, again, a website that I do not know. That website is not the same as this website that it's coming from, or from the email address domain that it's coming from, leading you to believe that there's multiple parties here. And it's sending you somewhere that has nothing to do, or it's trying to send me somewhere that has nothing to do with my web domain. So these are three easy things that you can look at when you get any sort of a scam email like this, and hopefully keep yourself safe. Good luck out there. Things are getting a little bit more tricky as any economy conditions change, especially when they get worse. It seems like the scammers are upping their efforts to get more and more information from us. We've got to be diligent, make sure we're keeping our heads on a swivel, as they say, make sure that we're paying attention to the details and don't get taken advantage of. Hope this is helpful to you. If it is, give us a like down below. If you'd like to see more content like this, do subscribe to the channel. And if we can help someone else, please do share this video. Thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next one.